All right, here's one you won't see every day. Pretty cool street rod. 1956 Willys Wagon, or Willys station wagon to be known as. Now when I say street rod, body and everything looks pretty standard on this, with the exception of a nice, more modern paint job done to it. But drivetrain, first of all, let's start with that. ZZ4 GM crate engine underneath the hood of this. So a 355 horsepower Chevy V8 paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission with overdrive. So right there for starters, this thing's made to go down the road. You got overdrive tranny, more modern engine, good horsepower. And then equipment on it, nice equipment. 4-wheel disc, power brakes, power steering, vintage AC and heat. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this, the engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see the still pictures. Probably 80, 90 still pictures on this vehicle there. So check it out. Take your time looking through them. Get any questions? Feel free to call us too. 507-386-1726. Now, body on this, 56 Willys, obviously. And it is real sheet metal. It is a metal vehicle. And then underneath it is a 51 Willys frame. So they took the 56 body, put it on the 51 frame, and did a nice job with this. The restoration was done early 2000s, 2002 to 2004. Paint is in still nice shape. Yeah, are you going to find some imperfections on it here and there? Yes, you will with any vehicle after it's been painted for 10, 15 years. Side mount gas tank up there. We'll get into some of the other amenities on this too. It's got a lot of things done to the interior also. We'll get around to that. It's got some Recaro bucket seats that were added to it, power windows. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So feel free to consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome, bright work, nice on this vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and open this back up so you can check it out. A little storage area for luggage and what have you here. And of course, enough room for grandkids or friends to go with on this one. Found this rather interesting, and I haven't really figured out exactly what this is for, but this clicks up and has a bracket underneath here, almost like the old mother-in-law seats from the front of the vans. That was kind of interesting. Maybe somebody can enlighten me what that would have been for on one of these. All right, back to the rear end here. It does have a Ford 9-inch rear in it. As far as some of the suspension, Mustang 2 front clip, front and rear coilover suspension. It does have a 4-link rear suspension also. And again, you can check that out in the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you there. Once again, phone number 507-386-1726. Also has a nice CD stereo system set up in the front here, center console. Let's open it up and take a look at it. I'll kind of go down through my notes and see if there's anything else, tidbits I want to tell you missing on it. Door panels, nice shape. Power window switch on each side, right under here. That'd be the driver's side, and of course on the passenger side, basically the same position. So now you have tilt column. That center console I talked about. They did recalibrate the speedometer to the 700 R4 transmission also. You can see a more modern gauge cluster put up in here. And of course, headliner also redone. But nice setup with these Recaro bucket seats, very comfortable seats. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run, and we'll check out that engine bay also. See how easily it starts there. Nice, the door closes and fits. Slip around to the back. Nice little rumble coming out of that ZZ motor. It's a very popular, reliable, powerful GM crate engine, by the way. Alright, anything I'm missing on here? They've hit most of the notes from the previous owner. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. Let's pop this hood. Let's check out what that engine bay looks like. Alright. So some of the equipment we talked about before: four-wheel disc brakes, power steering, vintage AC and heat. We have a Edelbrock 4-barrel on here. As you can see, headers, HDI ignition. Here the plumbing's done over here. Aluminum radiator. Smooth running crate engine underneath there. So there you have it. You're looking for a cool street rod with some modern power and amenities, an old style look. 1956 Willys Wagon street rod. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Of course, down below this video in the description, click on it. There's a link there that's going to take you right to our website. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associates when you call in or email.